Hi class, very good evening.
Good evening, sir.
How are you all? I'm very busy nowadays. Okay, no worries. Thanks for asking. Class, listen very carefully. Tomorrow we will have an activity in which we will be making something without fire. Okay? So I have divided in teams. The purpose of the activity is to practice past tense, present tense, and future tense. Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
And also the auxiliary verbs: do, did, does, cut, whatever the verbs we learnt, we are going to practice those auxiliary verbs and all the. Please keep quiet, guys. We'll be using all the auxiliary verbs along with nouns. We will cook some food without fire, and before this activity tomorrow, today we will discuss on the activity. We will discuss future tense. We will discuss will and shall. For example, tomorrow we will make as a team. We will make this dish, and I will bring. Who will bring what? We will discuss. Number one. Who will bring what? Who? कौन क्या लेके आएगा? Who will bring what? कौन क्या लेके आएगा? ठीक है ना? Number two, question number two. Who will? Who का मतलब बेटा? Who for? People. लोग will का मतलब है future के लिए. Bring लेके आएगा. Verb. What is noun? What क्या है? Noun क्या? Information. What क्या है? Noun. Noun मतलब कि क्या लेके आओगे? Answer the question. Noun. Who will bring what? कौन क्या लेके आएगा? ठीक है? So we say I will. मैं लेके आऊँगा. I will bring what? I will bring noun. Noun क्या noun लेके आओगे? Then and also we will discuss what will you do? आप क्या करोगे? What will you do in the activity? What will you do? आप बोलोगे I will be doing, I will do. मैं कर रहा होऊंगा doing, और I will do मैं करूंगा. I will do क्या? Verb. यहाँ पे क्या आएगा? Noun. क्या लाओगे? यहाँ क्या होगा? Verb. क्या आएगा? क्या आप क्या लाओगे? नहीं, what का काम होगा? Action. And how will you do? कैसे करोगे? How. So who आ गया? What आ गया? How आ गया? How will you do it? आप वो कैसे करोगे? तो आप आंसर आएगा I will, कुछ काम आएगा. I will do क्या? ये आज के लिए है. We will discuss future tense. कल क्या करोगे आप लोग? So we will use only will, shall and first form of verb. Do, I will do, I will did नहीं होगा, I will did भी नहीं होगा, I was भी नहीं होगा, because हम ये काम कल करेंगे. We will do this tomorrow. So now you all will sit in the team members in a circle, sit in a circle and discuss what will you make dish name. Okay, first dish name. क्या बनाओगे? And what will you bring? Okay, and this is all these three questions, and talk with one another. Okay, sit with the team members. Please sit with the team members. All of you sit with the team members, please. All the students, please sit with the team members. Excuse me. Does everybody excuse me, Mustafa? Excuse me, Arman. Excuse me. Please, you all sit with the team members, please. All the students, please sit with the members, all of you. Discuss the activity. Discuss quickly. You all are supposed to discuss anything. Sit with the team members. Sit with your team members and discuss. In English, no Hindi. The purpose of the activity is to practice English. The purpose of the activity is to practice English.
I think we will make the chart. No. What? Sandwich.
We will make sandwich.
We will make sandwich because sandwich is the better.
Sit in a circle. I said sit in a circle. English, yeah.
What will you make?
First, what will you make?
What will you make? We shall make bill. What will you do?
English.
I will bring tomatoes and
Tomatoes.
cucumber.
I will bring buns.
What will you do?
What will bring?
What
Discuss one by one.
will you do?
Talk, Huzaifa. Don't make same thing. Don't make same things. Discuss with the team what are you making. What will you make? Discuss with other team members. Shaurya, discuss with other team members.
Inshallah, we will make sandwiches, fruit chaat, and veg burgers.
Me only one thing. Only one thing.
Yes, sir.
What to do?
Only.
Sandwiches. No, sandwiches. Everyone is choose sandwiches. Inshallah.
Yes, bro.
I will make veg burger and I will bring tomatoes. I will bring potatoes. I will bring red मिर्च क्या कहते हैं?
Red chili.
Red chili. I will sauce. I will
Tomato
bring-
ketchup.
जी, I will
Write
bring
down on the paper who will bring what. Yes, discuss.
We will make bill.
Hmm.
What you deal? Yes. What will you do? I will make dishes, bowls, and spoons. What will you bring?
Inshallah, we will make fruit chaat. Inshallah.
Make custard chart. You custard.